Hi guys, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for always supporting the channel. And I want to use this opportunity also to wish everyone a happy new year. Now guys, today we are going to be speaking with a gentleman by the name of Mr. Gooden, who is an agronomist from Firsan, and he will be talking to us about a number of things, but his main purpose for being here today is to conduct a soil testing. So we'll get into that in a moment. So guys, do you remember Mr. Bennett? Mr. Bennett would have done a video with Mr. Bennett, who is a one-legged farmer. And so he would have asked for some assistance to get a prosthetic leg. And we want to be able to help him to achieve that goal for this year. So guys, please, we're asking you kindly, if you can, to please donate to the cause and let us see if we can assist Mr. Bennett in getting that leg so that he can be more efficient and more productive on his farm. All right, just if you can. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video. But before we do, please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell so once we upload a new video you will be notified.
Good morning, my name is Murphy Gooden. I'm the agronomist and sales consultant of Zone 4, which consists of Trelawny, Hanover, Westmoreland and St. James. Now what I'm doing today, I'm going to be collecting a soil sample. Now what this soil sample is for, we at Firsan we preach PNMS. What is PNMS? Precise Nutrient Management System. Now for any farmer who wants to have a successful yield, what we are recommending, know exactly what is in the soil. Know what is in it and know what is not within the soil. When you do this, you're basically preventing yourself from loss. Now, not many persons treat farming like a business. Now, if you are serious about agriculture, we recommend that have your soil test done. Let us write you a PNMS program free of charge. And what this will do, this will ensure that you will have a successful crop.
All right, so just before you move on, Mr. Gooden, so just so viewers, just to get you up to date as to what we're doing, because you're aware that we would have been doing ginger and we plan to expand the farm. So Mr. Gooden is here to do a soil test for us. And of course, we'll keep you up to date on the progress as we go along. But I want to ask you to, just tell us what is the reason for us, or what are the benefits when we do a soil test before we plant any crops at all?
Okay, now doing a soil test has so many benefits. One, you will know your pH content within the soil.
Yes.
Now, why is pH important? Now, in general, crops grow best. Our nutrient uptake is best within pH of 5.5 to 6.5. Most soils in Jamaica tend to be within or outside that range, either too alkaline or too acidic. And if it's a case where the soil is acidic or alkaline, we would have prescribed to you a soil ameliorant.
Yes.
And what that is, it basically brings the pH at a more appropriate pH.
Yes.
Now, once this is done, you will know that your pH is okay and nutrient uptake is going to be successful. Okay. Another benefit of doing a soil test is that you'll know your macronutrients, the level, whether they're too low, too high, and also your micronutrients. Now, when you purchase a bag of fertilizer, oftentimes the only nutrients that's found within that bag is nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium.
Okay.
Now, I want to tell you that your macronutrients, they also play a crucial role in basically giving you a good crop. So for example, if you are low in iron, this deficiency will show within the plant.
Okay.
If you are low with molybdenum, if you are a person who plant cauliflower or broccoli, especially with molybdenum, you'll see the symptoms being seen. All right. So other benefits would have included you not going into agriculture with a blind eye.
Right.
You know exactly what you need.
Yes.
So you won't be going out and guessing what to buy. Maybe the plant need this. You would have known exactly what you want.
Yes.
So this is basically a map in the right direction.
Okay, awesome.
Now, when collecting the sample, we always try to ensure that it is at least at a depth of 12 inches.
Okay.
All right. Now, because you guys are located on a slope, and we'll collect multiple samples.
Okay.
At the top, in the middle, and at the base.
Bottom. Okay. All right. Oh, you have a bag there. Okay.
Now, when a cell test is done, the result would normally come back within 3 weeks.
Yes.
Yeah, about 3 weeks maximum. Now, when that comes back, you you will be notified about it, and it will be sent to you.
Yes.
After which, we'll have discussion as to what you are planting, and I will write you the program, and it's very, very precise and down to the T.
All right. So, talk to us about, you know, some people might say, why does it take so long for us to get back the result? Why is that?
All right, now when I come here and I collect the sample, the reason why it takes 3 weeks to come back is because we basically collect our samples or collect the results abroad.
Right.
Now it has to be sent abroad, and once the results are there, that will be sent back to us, and we'll basically have that to you.
Okay. And this can be done at a cost of?
Yes, this can be done at a cost of $50 US.
$50 US, or equivalent to approximately
About
7 or 8,000.
right now about 8,000
Jamaican dollars.
Yes.
Okay, awesome. All right. So we have done this one. So where are we going now? To the base or to the top?
We'll go at the top first.
Okay,
and
so
we'll
we go to
collect
the
at
top.
base.
Hey, me.
So it is very compacted.
Yes. So no slash and burn, guys.
slash and burn.
Right.
And I also want to add that it's important that you have some form of weed management, because the weeds alone can take up to 70% of the nutrient that the plants that you want should
Yeah.
get.
Oh.
So you want to be careful in terms of that. So weed management has to be on point.
That's very important, because
Yes.
that can, based on what you're saying, I'm understanding that could stunt the growth of the plant.
It could affect the growth of the
by
plant.
taking up the nutrients that the plant should get.
Yes, and
Okay.
then you will find yourself wasting money,
Yes.
which is not good for a business.
Right, right.
Yes.
Okay, on point. All right, so we collected the second sample, and so now we're going to the base. Oh,
Okay.
you're going up some more?
The land starts here, or
Where are we gonna? To that post.
I'm just collect. Which post?
Okay.
Up here really clear though.
Yeah.
But as I say, we're here to help. So whichever way we can fix whatever issues you guys are facing,
Okay.
that's what we're here for.
Okay. All right. Mr. Gooden, talk to us about, because you did mention that after the results come back for the soil test, you'll write two programs, one of either program. Talk to us about the two programs, just to explain so that the viewers can understand what you mean by
Two programs?
Right, the program. You said a soluble program.
Okay, all right.
Right.
All right, now when the cell test is returned, what we can do, and it's free of charge,
Yes.
we can write you, whether you want a granular program or a soluble program, we can write you a granular or soluble program.
Talk to what is the granular. Just explain the difference or
All
what
right.
it is, so we can, understand.
Okay, now your granular program is basically with granular fertilizers. Now, granular fertilizers, they're basically grain. Granular fertilizers are less soluble in comparison to your soluble fertilizers. Now, these are grain which normally are either sprinkled or
Yes.
buried near the base of the plant. Now, with your soluble fertilizer, it is normally mixed within a container with a drum. And
Liquid form.
and yes, so for example, like a powder that dissolves in water.
Right.
And what you will do then, you would have a drip system
Yes.
where based on the program you would apply drip, whether it's 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days, depending on your results.
See. Okay.
All right?
Okay. All right. Much clearer. All right.
What is it? I'm gonna say less 20. So I know. So.
So this one, does it look aerated like you mentioned
Yeah.
before? Because because this was dug up and left like that.
Yes.
So I guess this is proof of what you were saying. If you plow it up and leave it, then it get more refined.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. But we can smell it as well.
Yeah?
Yeah. Smell the aroma.
Oh, wow.
That's for ginger.
Yeah, so that's good. Yeah.
Crack one down here.
All right, so Mr. Gooden, you would have collected the samples, and so you say for the next 3 weeks.
Yes. So within the next 3 weeks, well, the results will be returned, and after which we can move forward with that, which whether it's a granular program
Right.
or a soluble program.
Okay. All right, so guys, there you have it. Thank you so much, Mr. Gooden, for the information. As we progress, guys, we'll let you know what has happened when we get the result, you know, how we proceed, and we'll take you through every step of the way. So thanks again, Mr. Gooden.
And thank you
All
for
right?
having me.
No problem. Thank you guys for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. One love.